For opening an overseas bank account online, research and choose an international bank aligned with your needs and regulations. Visit First Security Bank Solutions site to assess their offerings for an overseas account. Familiarize yourself with the documentation required for opening an international bank account, following local and bank rules. Complete the online form with accurate personal and financial details. Ensure AML and KYC compliance by promptly submitting identification documents. Review and agree to First Security Bank Solutions terms and conditions. Select an overseas account type aligning with your financial goals. Confirm accepted currencies and transaction methods for seamless international transactions. Use secure communication channels for queries during the account opening. Verify the timeline for account activation and fund transfer. Familiarize yourself with First Security Bank Solutions online banking platform. Set up additional security features like two-factor authentication. Explore international banking services such as currency exchange rates. Regularly monitor your overseas account, staying informed about transactions. Stay tax compliant in your home country and the overseas jurisdiction, seeking professional advice if needed. Contact First Security Bank Solutions for a free consultation and discover valuable insights for opening your overseas bank account.